The world is full of creatures that adapt to but a select few dare to do something far more ambitious. They remake the world entirely in their own image. Among these planetary architects, one stands out: the beaver, the second largest rodent on Earth, and arguably the greatest natural engineer. Unlike most animals, the beaver doesn't simply live by the river. It controls the river. The grand construction project begins when a beaver family encounters fast-flowing water. Swift currents pose major threats. They make it difficult to build a stable home, and they provide easy access routes for large predators. The solution? Simple. Built a dam. Using carefully selected logs, stones, mud, and vegetation, the entire beaver family works tirelessly to slow the current. They transform a rushing, chaotic stream into a calm, deep, and predictable pond. This dam isn't just a messy pile of debris. It's a structural marvel, constantly monitored and repaired. After a heavy rain, you'll see the beavers immediately on alert, shoring up weak spots to prevent a catastrophic collapse. Some of these structures become true monuments to natural ingenuity. The longest recorded beaver dam stretched for an incredible 850 meters, that's over half a mile long. Once this tranquil reservoir is established, the beavers get to work on their centerpiece. The lodge, constructed from the same durable materials as the dam, this fortress is placed directly in the water. But the true genius of the lodge lies beneath the surface, where the entrance is located. This clever underwater doorway serves as a vital security measure, preventing land predators like wolves and bears from gaining access. Inside, safely above the waterline, they maintain a dry, cozy chamber used for sleeping, resting, and raising their young. It's a perfect amphibious fortress, safe and secure. But the beaver's influence extends far beyond the edges of its own pond. These animals are true Keystone species, which means their presence is fundamental to the health of the entire local ecosystem. The ponds they create flood low-lying areas, giving birth to brand new wetland habitats. These wetlands are incredibly valuable. They filter pollutants from the water, prevent soil erosion, and increase water retention in the ground, which is especially vital during dry seasons. They also provide a sanctuary for countless other species. Fish, frogs, turtles, wading birds, and insects all flourish in the calm, deep water that was engineered entirely by the beaver. In a very real way, beavers are the original ecosystem restorers. To carry out such massive construction projects, the beaver relies on a suite of extraordinary physical adaptations. Central to all their work are their massive front teeth. They're stained orange due to a high concentration of iron, which makes them exceptionally strong and durable. These teeth never stop growing, meaning the beaver must constantly gnaw on wood just to wear them down. They are the perfect natural chainsaw, capable of felling a small tree in a matter of minutes. Equally important is their large, flat, scaly tail. It's a multi-purpose tool. When swimming, the tail acts as a powerful rudder, allowing for sharp turns and precise navigation. On land, it serves as a stabilizing tripod, propping them up as they chew through tree trunks. And crucially, it's also a communication device. A sharp, loud slap of the tail against the water's surface signals immediate danger to the entire colony, sending everyone diving for safety. Their bodies are built for aquatic labor. They're covered in 2 layers of fur, a fine, dense undercoat for insulation and a thick, oily outer layer that provides complete waterproofing. A beaver can stay submerged for up to 15 minutes at a time, aided by a few more incredible tricks. They have transparent eyelids that function like built-in swimming goggles, and their nostrils and ears seal up automatically the moment they dive underwater. The beaver diet is strictly herbivore. They focused primarily on the inner bark, or cambium, of trees like aspen and willow, supplemented by leaves and aquatic plants. This dietary preference is what drives much of their construction behavior there, not just building, they're harvesting. And when winter arrives and the pond freezes over, the beavers employ a brilliant survival strategy that ensures they never go hungry. Throughout the autumn, they create an enormous submerged pantry called a cush. This is a huge pile of freshly cut branches, anchored deep to the bottom of the pond near the lodge entrance. This underwater refrigerator keeps their food supply fresh and preserved all winter long. Once the surface ice seals the pond, the beavers have constant access to fresh food without ever having to venture out into the treacherous cold. This strategy is key to ensuring the colony survives until the spring thaw. Life inside the lodge is highly social and family-oriented. Beavers are known to be monogamous, forming enduring, loyal partnerships that can last a lifetime. The family unit is tightly knit, composed of the parents and their young, including kits from the previous year. These older siblings play a critical role in the colony. They help maintain the dam, forage for food, and even babysit their newborn siblings. Then, at around 2 years of age, These young adults instinctively leave the family unit. They set out on a journey of their own to find locate a suitable stretch of river, and begin the arduous, yet vital, work of building a new colony. In doing so, they perpetuate the tireless, incredible legacy of nature's most dedicated architects. It's a cycle of engineering and renewal that has shaped landscapes for millions of years. Thanks so much for watching. If you found the incredible life of the beaver as fascinating as I do, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of the natural world. See you next time.